I'm here to report an observation. Behavior of certain animal upon the land, left, right and center. All institutions and effecting devastation in the nation. What I would like to understand, develop a contingency plan. Said Lucia no longer have zoo. What are the people supposed to do? Monkeys in suits, monkeys in suits, occupying vacancies to implement mockery. Monkeys in suits, monkeys in suits, commanding a salary for performing hardly. Monkeys in suits, monkeys in suits, no accountability, let alone humility. Monkeys in suits, monkeys in suits, abusing the ministries, destabilizing the country. Monkeys in suits, monkeys in suits, cause if then it's just no use. Monkeys in suits. Ah 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 ah. Ooh, eh eh eh. When you look around and see what's going down, plenty things that could grow a frown. Hunting for solution, might just have to pack and run. Macaque mania take over town. The expression is not that new. What monkey see, what monkey will do. Time to curb the infestation. The substance start to spread around the island. Monkeys in suits, monkeys in suits, things never as they appear. Repeat cycle every year. Monkeys in suits, monkeys in suits, lacking in good manners, like they run out of bananas. Monkeys in suits, monkeys in suits, assuming the perfect rule, fitting square pegs in round holes. Monkeys in suits, monkeys in suits, the ideas are never theirs, plagiarism run them affairs. Monkeys in suits, monkeys in suits, cause if then it's just no use. Monkeys in suits. Ah 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 ah. Ooh, eh eh eh. Things get out of hand and out of control. How to contain them simians? Volunteer some ideas. Any suggestions? Cause them creatures running amok. Wondering does this situation exist in any other island? Or if the menace was always there from when the capital was so rare. Monkeys in suits, monkeys in suits, flooding the establishment in all levels of government. Monkeys in suits, monkeys in suits, nepotistic supply and pull, multiplying by the dozens. Monkeys in suits, monkeys in suits, springing from roof to roof, jumping through circus hoops. Monkeys in suits, monkeys in suits, switch political allegiance, swinging from branch to branch. Monkeys in suits, monkeys in suits, cause if then it's just no use. Monkeys in